This is Play Country Blues. That was Meat Shakin' Woman. We are in standard tuning. Here is my low E. Go ahead and tune the rest of the way and we'll be in tune together. Now, if you want to play along with the original recording, you're going to want to tune about a half step down, which is what I did for the performance in this lesson. But back up to standard tuning, and what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing our C, our F, and our G. And all of the licks and fills we want are in and around those chord shapes. When we're in our C chord, we want a G in the bass as opposed to that C in the bass. So it's going to be a 6-4 bass. We're going to start off 4th fret on that 2nd string, open on that 1st, to an F, back to a C, and all that together is going to sound like this. To our C7. So to finish that off, we do this twice. 3rd time around, just going to grab that 1st fret on that 4th string, which walks us back into C. C7 to our F, we're going to walk in, 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd fret, bend up on that 3rd fret of that 2nd string, back to C in that lick, walk into G, that's this time we want to land on that D. Instead of going to that first fret on that fourth string, we want our third fret this time. C7, F, A flat, back to C. All that together. That is going to be used for the intro, and it's going to be used for all of the solos, and it's really 90% of what we're going to be using for the verse form as well. What does change is when we go to the verse form, when we go to our F, we're no longer bending on that second string. We're just going to go back to C. Now, the first and second verse, when we get to our G, they're going to follow that form like we did for the intro, which is again also used for the solos. But when we get to the third verse and then the remaining verses after the third verse, instead of doing this, we're going to do this. So all that is we're walking into G, G7, back to G, then finishing things off like that. So again, once you learn the intro of this song, you really have 90% of the information you need to work through the rest of the song. And the way that we're going to end is with that turnaround. C7, F, A flat, C, back to C7. So let's put all the pieces together. Let's play it together. This is where the tablature comes from. And if you have any issues with any of the sections, check out the tab and let's play through it together. Shakin'.